aya basiyo Peacock original ngo mwagiye mureba filime ngo za action sinzi ibintu mwarebye cyane ko ntari impari ngo ngira utuntu twanjye nsa nikorera ijambo ku yindi iminsi maze nahari bisa nkaho ari byo nari ndi kubategurira kugira ngo akazi kaze karyoshye kurusha na mbere dutangire hakuno masaha y'umugoroba muri New York umwaka w'1955 kigiye ako buriya sinari indihora Frank biragenda gutucicika bana babiri hano ubu barimo kutureba abana babiri buriya bipolisi by'ibigoryi turaza kubibeshya ushatse kuvuga ibiki Frank baraza kugerageza kudutera ubwoba ngo tugire icyo tubabwira ariko ntugire icyo babwira uranyumva nta na kimwe ugomba kuvuga hakuno Yemeka nta kintu wakoze icyo nicyo cyonyine ukeneye gutekereza Winston nicyo wabikoze byose we nta kintu wakoze uranyumva we ubihorere ariko nicyo wabikoze mwana nicyo wabikoze ntaka nakuno karimo kabwira undi mwana ngo nicyo wabikoze n'abana babiri dutangiye muri 55 nicyo wabikoze ntago ari wowe oya barakwereka haciyeho imyaka tugarutse hakuno The Continental abazi iri zina The Continental mwarebye filime yitwa John Wick muraza kwihangana kugira ngo tugendane neza ndetse n'abarebye yitwa Ballerina muzi hoteli abicanyi bose baba bacumbikamo yitwa The Continental hahandi nta mwicanyi wagusanga ngakwiciremo ubwo ndagira ngo tugendane akantu ku kandi niyo hoteli dutangiremo tu
You're not supposed to be down here,
Frank ntago wakabaye uri hano hasi
Not supposed to be bald and married ladies either.
Urajya sembe ndi kumwe n'abagore bashatse abagabo ahubwo mbwira
Where's the best place to take a lady?
Ni hantu heza na hahe hantu heza umuntu yajana umukobwa utakabaye mu cyane
Place you're not supposed to be.
ahantu utakabaye uri niho uri n'ubundi ariko nawe bicara biza kisawa
Gonna tell me, are you, Lawrence? After all,
ambwira Lawrence
I'm not the only one that slipped.
nyuma na nyuma ko n'ubundi atari njye hano
Not someone else's front yard now, am I?
hey
So tell me.
mbwira ariko mbwira musa
Well, look.
urabona nsa gute
Get your ass out of here before I shoot you.
wa mukige sora agatafari kayo hano mbere yuko nkurasa
All right.
sawa
Well, happy New Year, Lawrence.
sawa umwaka mushyashya Lawrence we ni kuri bonani hakuno rero umusore dutangiranye hose design interiors and exteriors design kirara cyitwa Joe mujye mugihe akazi hakuno rero nimbari dutangiriyemo ni hoteli ya hoteli bita The Continental tu habaye show abantu bose muri kubona hano ntago wabasariramo biri ku bintu by'ibikokaine bifuterewe zatawe umva imvura ikirara njya mpura nacyo ngo kize X hakuno hose design bagufasha bakubakira utubati intebe amajaride amakontwari amaparikingi amaparafa amativi stande bagutamo hakuno bari kugenda bacirana amasirisinzi ariko umusaza uri hano Mary Gibson uramubona Frank birano mwana wanjye
Hey everybody, I picked this one off the street when he was young.
mwese uko muri hano mubanze mu byumva we kagasore na gato kakiri gatushanye
Trained to myself, and now look at the son of a bitch.
nicyo wakitoreje none reba inyana y'imbwa ukuntu imaze kungana do kiri hakuno do Mary Gibson umugabo ushana umuhitinzi
Family.
tumwemo kubw'umuryango reba filime witonze gake mucaca
Hey, Corinne, where you been?
Colline umaze iminsi urewe usore ya nzoga arayicira do komeza imbere kugusirikira hano muri hoteli y'abandi niba uyu mugabo yagezemo gute sinzi hakuno sirikira muri hoteli y'abandi gake tarashyira mirindi mukanya injiramo tugende mwana umukobwa waje avuga nimba ari ikiyapani nimba ari iki bahita bava aho ngaho bahita bakomeza bwa mbere mu mateka abarebye John Wick murabizi ko na John Wick ubwe The Continental yayitinyaga yajyaga no kwica bakamubwira bati muri The Continental ntibikunda iribwe n'ikirara tutaramenya ngo bakise guki Mel Gibson Colin Wooden Michelle Plada Ben Robinson je banyita gaheza banyita simba nkomeza kwibutsa iyi filime izanwe nabo bita hano Travels ko hose travels hose design na Emeka ngo ni Emeka Cardinal Studio hose design interiors and exterior design umurara bita Jama yavuze ati matemo iyi filmu isanga kuri website ya mbere yonyine imwe ari nayo biri kuberaho kurusha izindi zose bayita nguki Mujama Films je kujya mbahereza filime nk'umujama mwasenze Imana mu buriki mwasenze Imana mu buriki Mujama Films website kuyireberaho filime n'ubuntu ntabwo ari amafaranga utaza kugira n'umuntu uzayibaraguza ngo kandi ngo urabona ngo sicuye ngo sinzi bahise guki The Continental ibyo sina rya filime ibyo si bibaye tugaruke London mu Bwongereza.
Job is to see the future.
Akazi kanje nukureba hazaza.
Now we're all aware with the height restrictions being lifted here there's
ubu rero twese bisa nk'ibintu byaducanze kugira ubwo twisanga
building boom going on.
Bitewe no guturika kwawe muri iriyo.
If you want to be part of the dick measuring contest,
urashaka ko namwe muza kuba mu bafatirwa ibihano se
the next guy, I get it. I'll even buy you a ruler. But while everyone else is scrambling to get closer to the clouds, they're all missing the obvious.
Nimba mushaka ko mbubakira namwe inzu ndende bisansaba kugenda nkusanya utuntu n'utundi cyase mujye gushaka ndabibubakira.
What's that?
Where the hell are they going to park?
Iyo nzu yanyu uko muri kumereza ikibanza gito abantu bazajya baparika n'umu engineer uri hano.
So, car parks.
Parking
4,700 parking spaces filled every day of the week.
Ese urabizi ko muri uyu mujyi buri munsi haparikwa imodoka zisaga 2,400.
Central to all those
buri munsi w'icyumweru.
Oversized skyscrapers everyone's so eager to build.
Buri muntu wese ashaka kubaka inzu y'umuturirwa muremure kabisa ariko ntimutekereza ahantu muzajya guparika.
Cured the land, the concrete.
Mukagenda mukubaka ku butaka bukomeye mukamena beto za concrete.
Permits.
Mufite n'ibyangombwa.
I know £2 million is a lot of money, Mr. Dunbar.
Ndabizi ko miliyoni 2 z'amapound ari amafaranga ahagije Mr.
Don't scare me.
Uwo musore ntago ngira ikibazo ari amafaranga. Oya.
But handing my money over to a little firm that I've never heard of.
Ariko nanone gutanga amafaranga yanjye nkayahereza ikigo ntigeze numva na mbere wapi.
Do business with people I've never heard of.
Yes, njya nkora na business n'abantu ntigeze numva na mbere. Ni iki gituma wumva ko twakora na business?
Doesn't exactly soothe me.
Ntago ari ibintu byanjye si ibintu gukorana n'abantu tutigeze dukorana na mbere. Okay? Usayano waruje gusaba ikiraka.
Who wants more dessert?
Nta wundi muntu ushaka dessert.
Another dirty martini.
Cyangwa babasukiremo akandi kamaritini.
Taste and spirits, Mr. Scott.
Wa mwana Mr. Scott uzi gutoranya
Hire a man who spends money to make money.
nishimira umuntu utanga amafaranga kugira ngo akorera ndi.
I'm not convinced.
Ariko mfite ubwoba kutanyemeje kabisa.
But I really think you'd be missing out on.
I was bored over there.
Shahariya nari mbangamiye hari umugore wa Jano.
Be even more bored.
Byari biri kumbangamira.
Nice, dear.
Shiri wanje twari neza.
Don't call me dear.
Sukanyite shiri.
You're mother dear.
Junyita mama w'abana mama yake.
Please trying to lay off on my husband, Mr.
Vase musura umugabo wanjye surashaka kumusaka mama.
Scott.
Nje banyita Scott mabwa. Winston Scott.
You're trying to lay off on my husband, Winston Scott.
None se Winston Scott umugabo wanjye urashaka kumukorera ibi.
A piece of London. Big one.
Cyenda nashakaga kumuhereza igice cy'uyu mujyi w'Ubwongereza i London kabisa. Amutuza.
Car parks.
Nkamwubakira amaparikingi nkamwubakira amazu.
Car parks, God.
Amaparikingi.
It is an interesting proposition.
Really, hon?
Igitekerezo warumpaye cyari cyo musora ariko wapi.
Car parks.
Parikingi ushora amafaranga gukubaka amaparikingi hirya hino reka.
Winston.
Winston we.
Do you know what my husband deals in?
I do.
Umugabo wanjye urabizi ko ari umunyamatero yego.
Then you'll realize that this old duffer, despite his overpriced suit and bald patch, has a brand.
Nizere yuko ubizi ko umugabo wanjye usibye kumubona gutya ashaje umugabo wanjye ararenze baramuzi. Afite brand nyine kandi brand ye ni
excitement.
Irarenze nyine ni kwa kuvuga ngo umuntu ni brand ubwo aratwika nyine.
Sex.
Ikijambo nti.
You know David Bowie was at our disco the other night and did
Ako ribuka umugabo w'umudj wari uri muri disco ryaje.
you know that my husband has a piece of his current tour?
Abizi ko umugabo wanjye yari yamushoyemo ibiceri bagiye kuzenguruka ahantu batembera.
I did not.
Ntabyo narinzi.
He does. And it's not because he's in the car park business.
Impamvu yari
Same things apply right here in London finance.
Imana ishimwe kuba byose biba byakunze bigakundira muri uyu mujyi wa London nkawuboneramo ibiceri.
Cheers.
Tunywemo. Noneho nawe umaze kubona ibiceri bagutayemo amafaranga umusore bayamuhaye yashakaga.
What did you see
Ako uri kureba iki?
when you were watching me?
Iyo ndebye ubona iki?
Your little mark? So be honest.
Bwiza ukuri kandi sumbeshye.
I would know about your family.
Umva musore ko nshaka kumenya iby'umuryango wawe.
Your siblings.
Mama wawe, papa wawe, abo muvuga.
I told you about my bloody uncle.
Sinakubwiye arya ibya wa monkere wanjye w'umuhehesi. Yego. Sinzi icyo utekereza. Musore hano. Reba. Cyangwa hano urafunguye. yasize yifungiye umuryango wo gukora kwibaraguza tu. Ese uri kunyirengagiza ukanga kunsubiza cyangwa? Sore hano mu karonji yacumbitsemo nta buroji nzi ngo mutwikire ntabwo kabisa. Nyuma ye musore bamunikana ifuru uretse shawe musore baramutambikana bamutwara intambiki. Niyo filime witonze ko bakamutwara intambiki hakuno bavanye igishinge cya sese nka senkani sese nka 60 yehe bahita bakimutera bahita bamusinziriza. Filime ishe gace bucece bwatinze uko bakamusinzirije bahise bamutwara gutyo bahise bamutwara intambiki faya bibonye wese bari kumwica. Sore nimba bamushakira iki sinzi. Filime bazanye hakuno igikarito bamutwayemo bya bindi bavuga ngo umuntu yagutwara intambiki mukagira ngo bababeshye dore ukuntu bamutwaye. Kuri ya hoteli ngo ni The Continental yaraye yibwe. Iyi hoteli yaraye yibwe do Mel Gibson none urabona akanyoni ndakwiyamye muze ndakwiyamye
Step forward for me, would you?
Weteri ntambwe imbere hari ikibazo jewe yego.
Mr. Flynn.
Mr. Flynn we
Shoot Mr. Avery for me.
Ndasira uriya mugabo ngo ni Mr. Avery mu ndasira.
But sir,
ako nyakubaho
the rules.
Amategeko.
Fucking rules, yeah.
Shajyo by'amategeko byo.
The technicality there.
Aho uramfite ariko nago bisobanutse.
This kind of stuff in here. Could you open the veranda doors?
Ibintu byose biri hano n'aya madirishya kuri veranda ko yafungura biba byamunaniye. Wamfungura ayo madirishya sha. Hakuno.
Oh, it's better. Breath of fresh. Where was I?
The rules, sir.
Ibyo ni saha harya nari ngeze.
You were speaking of the rules.
Oh, yeah.
Wari uri kuvuga iby'amategeko n'amabwiriza nyakuba.
Right, thank you.
Oh, yego sha urakoze.
This grand institution,
Iki kigo kinini kingana
part of a very old and sacred fabric.
cyaho cyubatswe mu ibanga rikomeye.
What a mess I would have made if I was to tear that fabric. How disappointed my superiors would be. Because no matter if I was to tear that fabric. How
Kinga baba mpamagarira.
a mess I would have made if I was to tear that fabric.
Urumva amakosa naba nkoze ntumye iki kigo gishwanyagurika.
How disappointed my superiors would be.
Urumva ukuntu abayobozi banje batungurwa.
Because no matter how angry I am
Kubera ko umujinya n'abafite wari wose ukungana.
that you four have not retrieved that coin press like I
Nabikora kimwe mwebwe uko muri bane nimuramuka mutagaruye kiriya gikarito cyuzuyemo ibice.
asked you to.
Nkuko nabibasabye.
I can't kill you.
Nago nabica. Ntago nabica. Ntago nabicira hano pe muri iki kigo. Oya.
Sharon,
Shironi
what becomes of someone who breaks that particular rule?
bigendera bita umuntu wese urenze ku itegeko ryacu.
Excommunicado.
Dukora icyo bita excommunicado yakubaho.
That's Latin.
Icyo ni ikilatini rero baso.
You're fucked.
Bivuze ngo uburaburije.
I'd be persona non grata, deprived of all the privileges and protections.
Ikintu nkora ni kimwe nkwambura bwa budahangarwa bwose twaguhaga icyubahiro twakugombaga n'uburinzi wahabwa.
Hotel has to offer.
Ibyo byose murabizi mwabihabwaga n'iyi hoteli.
Imagine me walking out these doors,
Tekereza gusohoka ukaca muri iyi miryango.
alive,
Uri muzima
but suddenly unprotected from all the people that I've heard over the
ariko ugasohoka nta mutekano ugifite twakurindiraga tukurinda abantu wagiye uhemukira mu myaka 40 yose ishize. Wowe wagiye wicira abantu abagabo bose bari abicanyi.
My enemies had hunted me down.
Byaba abanzi banje
Or worse,
Barabizi.
what if they found my family? Oof. A wife, son, a daughter.
baragenda bagera ku muryango wanje umugore umwana umuhungu wanje umukobwa. Namwe niko byabagendekera babahiga kandi bakabagira umwe ku wundi.
Luckily, I have no one. Just Sharon,
Icyiza nuko nako nababeshyaga nta n'uwo mfite.
who is only a teenager, and I would miss
Uyu
him.
musore namuzanye kiri umwana muto kiri agateneje.
But
Yewe
you,
namukunda. Ariko mwebwe
you got a family.
mufite imiryango sibyo?
You got a whole tribe in Tribeca.
Wowe ufite ubwoko bw'iwanyu muri Tribeca. Tayo
You
narabyibagiwe.
got a choice to make.
Mufite amahitamo yo gufata.
Get
Uranyumva?
out of here, right now.
Wavana ukagenda
And
unono
your family at grave risk.
ugasiga umuryango wawe mukangaratete nk'uko mubishaka cyangwa se
You can spare their lives.
ukababarira ubuzima bw'umuryango wawe bw'amagambo y'umusore y'umusaza
Simply find the nearest balcony
ukareba nka bariko iri hafi ahangaha
and jump.
ugasimbuka mu magambo make amubwiye ngo iki nawe yakamubwira ati nutiyahura umuryango wawe ndawica wose nabigora kigenda batuma ku kazi uhitamo gupfura umwe cyangwa se njye guhiga umuryango wawe mwice wose bwatinze barakwereka hakuno nabikora kimwe mwe mwamvuye wa musore wacu bafashe twaherukaga ariko ubunyura umugore w'abandi bamuzanye hano bakamuzanye hano.
Good morning, Mr. Scott.
Mwaramutse Mr. Scott.
I trust your journey wasn't too unpleasant.
Nizere ko urugendo bakuzanyemo rutakubangamiye cyane.
First class.
Twamuzanye muri first class mabusha, twamuzanye mu cyiciro cy'imbere.
The manager of the hotel has requested the pleasure of your company.
Manager wa hotel yacu arashaka ko mubona. Akiraho wiyahuye. Wa mugabo yari yahuye. Asore ni muzi. Kumanuka gasenura mu muhanda bahise bazana. Ka gasore twabonye bakazana. Bafata bakazanye kuri ya hotel de Continental. Niyo bahise bazana gasore. Iyi hotel mwibuke yaraye yibwe n'umusore twabonye wundi ngo bita Frank. Agacisha mu gikoni nyuma. Niyo kugenda mwabajinga mwe ndi kugenda. Bamuzanye hano. Iyi hoteli yaraye yibwe. Tubonye ari n'umuntu umaze kuhapfira bamubwiye bati yahure akigora ikintu nagutumye wewe akazi karakunanira how come? Cormac. Winston. Cyuma hano baramuhambura.
You got old.
Hasi kwa shot.
I'm wearing a diaper.
Nubu nambaye Pampex aho.
They ought to call this place the Incontinental.
Hano urabizi twita muri Continental.
Where's Frankie, Winston?
Frankie ari hehe Winston we? Frankie wa musore warayibye hano bamubajije.
You know, usually when a bunch of guys in masks drug me and throw me in the back of a truck and fly me over the Atlantic.
Gukora iki byambaye ibintu mu masura ntazi byamfashe bikira mu kimodoka ntazi bikira mu ndege yantwara njya gutsi nyanja Atlantique.
They at least offer me a cup of coffee.
At least mwakabe mumereza n'agakawa nkaba ndi kunywa.
Of course.
Cyane cyane.
Being the man.
Mwana muzanire mutemo.
Son.
Ndabona usa neza mwana wanjye.
For yourself there in London, huh?
Bwongereza akoraga ibiki.
It's like you pulled yourself up by your own bootstraps.
Kumbona n'ubundi usigaye umeze neza umaze kwikusanya.
I like to think I had something to do with that.
Hari ikintu nabikora.
With what happened to Frankie?
Hanyuma ibyo kuri Frank.
Your brother became quite an asset to me.
Umuvandimwe we yaje kumbera igikoresho cyanje.
War made him efficient.
Intambara yamugize umuntu ukomeye. Yamugize umuntu ukomeye w'ikinyonyi.
Promotion.
Ariko nagerageje no kumushakira promotion. Uvandimwe wawe.
Well, if he's such a good soldier, what am I doing here?
None se nimba ari umusirikare mwiza ndi gukora iki hano nyine kumva yakubera umusirikare mwiza.
Well, recently I noticed he was, distracted.
Nyine muri iyi minsi najyaga mbona ukuntu yitwara ntazi ibintu bimuyobya.
I mean, I just chalked it up to drugs or the times.
Akenshi gatekereza ko ari ibiyobyabwenge.
There was rumors of a girlfriend.
Abandi bakambwira ko afite ngagakobwa bakundana.
Come here, rude bitch with an agenda.
Akabici kari aho ngaho.
Got him sideways in probably every other position.
Ukajyaga kamujyana ku ruhande bakaja mu tundi tuntu ntazi.
Slide. I got a sauce.
Ibyo reka tubireka.
For the boy.
Urabizi yuko nawe nakubonera akazi mwana.
He stole something from me.
Uriya mujinga muvindimwe yanyibye.
Something that holds this entire establishment together.
Kandi ikintu yibye ni ikintu cy'agaciro gituma iki kigo n'ibi byose dukora biguma biri kumwe.
An establishment that wields power.
Ibyo bintu yibye bifite imbaraga.
Beyond your imagination.
Imbaraga zirenze izo watekereza wa musore we.
This is not my problem.
Ariko icyo ntabwo ari ikibazo cyanjye nimba mukuru wanjye yabibye.
It is now.
Ubu rero cyabaye ikibazo cyawe.
What Frankie took is very important.
Kubera ko ikintu Frankie yajyanye ni ikintu cy'agaciro.
A lot of very dangerous people.
Ndetse ni icy'agaciro ku bantu babi kandi benshi.
See what this is about.
Ntangiye kubibona noneho icyo bashaka kuvana.
You're in trouble and I'm the bait.
Umeze nk'umuntu uri mu bibazo nkaba akanyobwa ugiye gutekeraho. Sibyo?
Frankie doesn't give a shit about me.
Umura Frank ntago anyitaho.
And I don't give a shit about him.
Nanjye sinkimwitaho.
I don't believe you.
Ntago nkwizeye musore. Genda umushake.
Because if you don't,
kubera ko nutamushaka.
weight of this whole institution down on your back.
Uburemere n'imbaraga iki kigo gifite bwose. Ndaza kubibatura mwimbi bose.
See?
Urabona?
I don't think you're hearing me.
Ndakeka ntabwo uri kunyumva pulse wanjye.
No or care what
sinitaye sinshaka no kumenya aho Frank ari.
So find him yourself.
Genda umwishakire.
Are we done here?
Nizere ko kandi hano dusohozanyije. Sibyo?
Yeah, sure.
Yego.
Sure, I guess show him the elevator.
Uyu musore mumwereke nako mwereke sanseri yaragiye kumutungira urutoki mu idirishya. Yep.
follow him.
Mumukurikire. Umusore uko yakagiye yatanze udateze mumukurikire.
Usually see many people speak to your boss that way.
Ariko mumenya mutajya mubona abantu benshi bavugisha boss wanyu.
I see you again. No.
Oya ntago njya mbabona.
Forgive me if I don't escort you to the door myself.
Ariko mbabarire kuba ntagiye kugwerekeza ngo nkwigereze ku
No,
muryango.
if you plan on joining us anytime.
Ariko niba ushaka kuzaza ngo dukorane uzambwire.
near future.
Ahazaza uzandabure kabisa.
Or if I can assist you with anything else.
Wenda nazagufasha. Ariko no.
Sorry.
Mbabarire mwana. Oya nta mpamvu.
I told you. I don't care what you say.
Sinakubwiye ko ntabyitayeho mwana.
Well, mate,
Okay.
I want you to care.
Ko nagira ngo ujye ubyitaho se nimba ari biki.
You know what I mean.
Ibyo nshatse kuvuga urabyumva.
You know, it's
Nyine.
I don't know. Fucking point. I just
Hey. Wait.
Look at me.
Ya mu maso ni umugabo uri hano n'umugore nabo sinzi ibyabo. Ikintu cyonyine mba ngukeneye.
Lock my door on the way out, alright?
Mba ngira ngo nusohoka ufungura urugi nta kindi mba ngushaka yongeye. Nta kindi nacyo.
I'm gonna have the rest of my coffee.
Ikawa yanjye yari isigaye yinywere nta ribi. Kereka nje ku kazi. Ubwo aba yibese hano akaza.
Don't forget to turn the radio off.
Utaza kwibagirwa no kuzimya icyo kiradi. Sawa. Yaje hano nibondodo. Mugora afata mwanda w'imbwa. Sano. Abikubita muri windshield muri paraburize. Ya nyiri iyo mbwa. Nutukobwa utagirekeraho do.
So much for getting in and getting out.
we'll get out.
Turasa gusohoka mwana tugaruke hakuno hari abandi nabo tumenye
Say
bakira.
51% chance.
Amahirwe ni 51%. Shishaka ariko. Hakuno.
Hope he's gonna shoot as good as your fucking mouth to.
Nizere yuko uko muvuga ari nako imbunda zanyu zivuga. Rero
I'm going to teach you, stupid Americans.
ngiye kubigisha isomo mwabikora by'ibinyamerika ku business zikorwa.
It's called removing the middleman.
Babyita kuvana umukomisiyoneri mu kazi ukivuganira na boss do. Yebe.
I'd be careful with that.
Chemba ndi wowe iyo mbunda nayitondera.
Yeah? Sure.
Koko.
Yeah, I'll be careful
Ndi nayitondera ariko.
in selecting who will die first.
Nanabyitondera kugira ngo ntoranye ngo ninde urapfa mbere muri mwebwe.
That's a big gun for a little man.
We iyo mbunda ni nini ku kagabo gato nkawe. Ninjira mumenye.
Well, it looks like you just made the choice for me.
Simbona sunoranyirije muko bisa nkaho ntoranyirije niwe wishese ngo wicura nshobora nshinga utugamba.
Really?
Koko.
Bringing a woman to a gunfight?
Mwana mukazana umugore mu ntambara z'imbunda koko.
Fucking amateurs.
Shamuri ibikora iki kandi mwaka bimukuze.
I'm afraid.
Rero mfite ubwoba. Yebe. Hakuno. Wagiye kurasa. Sawe. Go. Intambara. Sitagira bundi bushi imbunda ariyo. Utari ukuntu agiye kwirashishira sisubira inyuma. Murase mwana. Murase. Bahita bamwica.
Bullets in those things, right?
Oh, she knows,
Wari ubizi ko bafite amasasu muri ziriya mbunda.
but she don't care.
Yari abizi ariko ntabwo yari abyitayeho uyu mukobwa.
Oh, are these your fingers?
Izi ntoki ni izawe muso.
Who's the amateur now, Uzan?
Ubuse ninde uri kwitwara amateri harya mubyita gute mu kinyarwanda?
Play around with
Hakuno yaje yicomeka mu kimodoka. Abantu mufite imodoka z'ama Audi, ama Benz, ama Volkswagen, El Chapo Garage. Nibyo garage rya mbere rirenze muri East Africa noneho. Nta nubwo rirenze muri East Africa gusa ku mugabane wa Afrika yose. No mu karere k'ibiyaga bigari. Iryo garage muri minsi ndaje mbaraburi byaryo. Akwereka hakuno hari umupolisi.
I'm trying to get rich in the financial district, you.
Mugabo yaje hakuno.
park the fucking car.
Parikano.
Think that
Tunumba ntabasobanure kandi kudu key point mba nshaka kuba tu.
Yo.
Yego mwana.
in the middle of anything?
Nta kintu
Trying to
nani.
get rich in the financial district, you.
Cyenda ashaka kuzibera ingagari ari kuvugana kuri phone rwaje afite imodoka nziza shaho do.
Park the fucking car.
Tell him the buyer.
Think that evidence
Cye nkurikiranye umukiriya.
contraband traded hands.
Urabizi neza se ko ibintu uri kuvuga ari byo umukiriya yaje hano. Yinjira hehe? Muri The Continental. Ya hotel wa musore tubonye mu kanya bamaze kurasa intoki yaje kwinjira muri The Continental. Wa mugore twabonye wari uri mu bikorwa bitampaye agaciro kare ari kumucunga mwita umukiriya.
No detective in the precinct, you're already fucking it up.
Ako mwana kukorera hari ahantu uri umugore si ikibazo.
I told you my superior is an asshole.
Narabikubwiye ko abayobozi banje ari ibigoryi.
Fuck you.
Hijya wa njyewe. Nani njyewe.
Hold on.
Uretse mwana.
Couldn't get a word out of him. Because his jaw was busted.
Nta kintu se murana wapi urwase y'abantu menye.
Buyers on the move. On the
We mukiriya ari kucenda.
on foot.
Cye kumukurikira n'amaguru.
Close by Pearl River.
hafi na Pierre and Live. Sumukurikire ndasubiramo over sumukurikire. Silver we sumukurikire. Hakuno Kigali we. Kuri ofyono. Asa kuri ya hoteli. Baraje kwinjira muri hoteli. Gukora ibikimwa. Jya mu modoka ninje we kwinjira muri ya hoteli ni wa mugabo. Bapomorana gakare. Shira mu modoka. Turagiye mwana. Kwande yahise afata umukobwa mucana. Kwa imodoka nziza z'iyo myaka. Ukuzibona.
You want to put this conversation in the alley? You want to talk about this shit?
Ese urashaka ibi bintu tubiganireho?
Yeah. You want to talk? Fucking talk.
Shaka tubiganire yego.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Mufti kibazo.
Get your hands off of me, Mayhem.
Mayhem ndakwiyamye wa kigorye sukankora kwe. Mayhem ubundi ni ikintu cy'igitutsi.
You could have had these guys a long time ago. What do you think?
Uriya musore ari kuba aramufashe na cyane. Ndaciye kuri mu biki.
Look, I'm looking for the supplier.
Cyende gushaka umuntu badropingira imbunda n'ibintu byose ibisasu n'ibiki.
I think he's in there. His name is Francis Scott and he is
Ndaceka arimo hari izina rye bamwita Francis Scott. Ariko ameze nk'umuzimu. Hari ahantu nago twemere gukorera mu polisi wa mukobwa.
Whatever goes on there goes on.
Ikinje mari yacu bakinje.
You think I'm just going to drop a case and go back to making it with you like this conversation ever?
Uraceka yuko se ngiye kureka ikirego nakurikiranaga kubera ngo ubimbwiye gutyo gusa
My job is
ntigira nkaho ibintu bitabaye.
Fuck you.
Akazi kanje kabara kukugutuka ngo uri kigorye.
What's going on?
Voice.
Huh?
Tuzari.
Who are you protecting?
Uri kurinda nde udashaka kumenya kari ucuruza imbunda muri ubu.
Protect anybody that's not like that.
Ntabwo ariko ibintu bimeze mata.
So tell me what it is like, huh, Mayhew?
Kambwira rero bimeze bite.
You stay the fuck out of there.
Ntukiri inama va hano ugende wa mugore we. Uri kunyumva? Va hano ugende. Mubwira ati nkugiriye inama njyewe. Va hano ugende. Filime witonze. Gake bucece mu gace. Sinzi ngo wagwana ngo si Joy.
Charlie.
We Charlie.
You gonna open up this gate?
Ntabwo uri budufungure gate se. Winston. Wa musore twabonye kare bari bafashe. Wewe mwana umusore. Imbeho iri kunyicira. Wakuze mwana. Nyingure se. Ari bireka ngukingure. Injire.
Jesus, look at you.
Reba shari. Sira jano.
Good to see you.
Kiza kujya kuko.
Winston, right?
Winston mwibuka. Winston.
Prick used to take money off me.
Cya kigoryi cyajyaga kinsaba amafaranga.
Money from all of us.
Twese sininda tayasa.
Did teach public to a 10-year-old?
Yeah, my wallet's too.
Jengo yari kufite nk'imyaka 10.
What's that shit?
Ikofi yanjye shayira cyabyicuza ibintu wayikoraga arwana uncoresha.
Charlie, you had to tell. You always bite your lip.
Mwana we ko buri gihe uri kurya ibi. Kuki?
Fucking Jesus. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Icyo kibazo.
These idiots.
Yajano. Gutera story n'abantu bakuza yakuze bamureba. Hey.
Heard you up in London.
Ako sinari narumvishe gusigaye wa mu Bwongereza. Yego.
Looking like you're doing all right.
Yeah.
You
brought back a little good with you, huh?
Gatuzaniye agaki se umudiaspora. Nabo baracoresha umudiaspora tuzaniye agaki se.
New York these days.
Bajya bigera bikatubangamira bakatwoherezamo ibintu bitamaye agaciro.
One of those guys pays me to fly his rich ass in and out of the city in a chopper.
N'ikigoryi cy'igikire cyamaye akazi ejo bundi kirambwira ngo ngitware nkivane mu mujyi mu ndege mu yacyo sha.
Sure be getting shot at in Da Nang.
So, tell us, Winston.
Lata tubwire Winston.
What are you doing back home?
Ni iki cyatumye ugaruka imuhira? Yari amaze iminsi ari mu Bwongereza. Sore wakunda.
I think you need a new coffee, guy.
Ndakeye gukeneye umuntu uzajya gukorera ikawa sha.
I'm sorry I don't have tea for you, my lord.
Niyo mbare nta cyayi ndi buguyange ngaho.
Look.
Reba mwana. Asha.
This is where he may be, okay?
Ndakeka ngaha ni hashobora kuba
Chinatown.
muri Chinatown.
It's a rough neck of the woods, but that's where he's having his VA check sent up.
Ndakeka ashobora kuba ariho ari.
Burton Karate.
Bolton Karate ni ahantu bamweretse.
You think this is where he lives?
Ndakeka hano ni
I don't know
haba.
where he is.
Aho ari simpazi.
But there's a room going around that he's running guns with some of his
Ariko hari ibihu amaze iminsi numva gasiga acuruza imbunda.
war buddies.
Azicuruzanya n'abantu ngo barwananye mu rugamba.
I ain't seen your brother in 3-4 months.
Shashize amezi 3 kurana umuvandimwe we ntamubona yahise aza gushaka wa muvandimwe Frank gumwe wibye.
For all I know, Winston,
Nkurikije ikintu cyonyine nzi Winston.
he's working with that crooked cocksucker.
Ari gukorana n'abantu b'ibigoryi.
Apparently he was.
Nkuko yahoze nawe ikigoryi.
And then he stole something from him.
Ikibabaje noneho hari ikintu yibye kandi yakibye umuntu udasanzwe.
Really?
Koko. Yego.
He grabbed.
Ibikibye. Simbizi.
Whatever it was
Ariko ibyo ari byo byose.
important enough for Cormac to send
Byari ibintu by'ingenzi.
you guys to pull me out of London.
Byatumye Cormac yohereza abagabo ngo baze kumvana mu Bwongereza banzanira.
That must have been a very interesting trip.
Umenye rwo rugendo rwari rushishikaje bagutwaye macuri.
What's the point?
Kibazo ni ikibuno.
Really?
Koko mwana.
I feel like I'm getting dragged back into another one.
Bisa nkaho bashaka kunsubiza mu bintu.
Frankie's hornet's nest.
Bimeze nka bya bindi Frank yagenda yigaragura amashi bashaka kubinsubizamo nk'uko byagenze na kera.
The point is your family.
His family?
That's the point.
I don't even know.
Icy'ingenzi nuko ari umuryango wawe. Umuryango wawe.
Who he is anymore?
Sinzi n'uwasigaye ari we, sinzi uko asigaye yitwara.
And I'm supposed to throw away everything that I've built because my brother
none byose nubatse uburyo navunitsemo.
returns from Vietnam and goes
Gende mbijugunye ngo nkurikire ikigori ngo ni mukuru wanjye kivuye za Vietnam.
back to work for the monster that ruined our life.
Cyavuye kikaza kikajya gukorera inyamaswa yangije ubuzima bwacu mwana.
Took our house, put our family on.
Cyajyanye inzu yacu tukiri abana, umuryango wacu kirawirukana dusubira ku
Let him rot in jail.
aranamureka umukuru wanjye ajya kuburira muri gereza.
Brother a break, okay?
Hasi wahirisha umuvandimwe akaruhuko mwana.
He didn't get a golden ticket to someplace posh like you did. Just
ntago ibintu byakunze nk'uko ye byakunze.
look, he got rat tunnels and he got prison bars.
Yagiye mu magereza, yagiye acano habi.
I mean, Jesus Christ, what's it been? 20 some odd fucking years and now
imyaka hafi
one of you
makumyabiri.
pick up a fucking phone?
Nta n'uwitaba telefone y'undi muri mwe.
Winston, life has got a real fucked up way of picking that phone up for you.
Ubuzima mwana bwabaye bubi, ntabwo bikiri ngombwa kuwanga no kumwitaba.
So enough, please.
Ubu rero birahagije, mukuru wawe
You
mubabarire.
didn't come here to drink my coffee.
Ntabwo waje hano ngo unywe ikawa yanjye.
What are you gonna do?
Udafite gahunda ugiye gukora ikirere.
I'm gonna find Frankie before Cormac does.
Ugiye gushaka mukuru wanjye mbere yuko Cormac amubona.
Right.
Sawa.
How can I help you?
None urashaka ngo ufashe ikirere.
I'm going to need a car.
Nyine ndaza gukenera imodoka.
Well, that's the one thing I can't do.
Shamba barira icyo nicyo kintu cyonyine ntagufasha rero. Yep.
But
ariko
your coat,
nagutiza ikote.
yes, warm.
Hakuno nagutiza ikote rigushyushya bamuha ikote. Warishakira imodoka? Nta modoka uniza. Musa nta modoka uniza ni eri chapi yo yanzonze. Asi Kigali we. Se we yani unzonga ni njye umuzonga cyaturazongana. Je hakuno numurara wenyine kwa kuntu bawicirira umurara wawe. Abantu mukora mugira amamodoka ya Benzi, Audi na Volkswagen. Eri chapo garage hani Nyamirambo kivugiza ni wantu honyine bibera. Yaje kumutiza imodoka ye nziza ihenze. Eri chapo ni ucumbwira ngo ntabwo. Hari ikintu nshaka kutumvikane musaza.
This is the love of my life.
Iyi modoka ni rwo rukundo rw'ubuzima bwanjye. Urumva ubwo mba ndabura abantu mutunze amabenzi, Audi na BMW. Eri chapo niwe muntu uzajya bibafasha Audi, amabenzi, BMW, Volkswagen. Iyi modoka yanjye nyita Marie. Eri chapo garage. Uzajya uyita nguhaye itegeko rimwe gusa.
You put the cover on every time you park, right?
Uruko uzajya umparikira imodoka ujye uyitwikira kikuri kigo.
You're my word.
Ndagusezeranya.
That's it, I guess. Except for this.
Banza ufate n'aka ngaka ahantu wajyanye imodoka irahenze batazanyibira imodoka.
I can handle myself.
Weje nakwita muhereze
Ain't for you.
iyi mbunda ngo yereka ntago ari yawe.
It's for her.
Ni kubwiye imodoka yanjye.
With your life.
Nimba
Don't come back.
iyi modoka uzayirinde n'ubuzima bwawe bwose. Ukubise imodoka umva do bamoteri sha. Ukubise imodoka nziza hakuru umusore yicometse imodoka. Niba ukunda imodoka yawe do ukubise imodoka nimba ari Dodge, nimba ari Chevy sindebye neza. Ukunda imodoka yawe ushaka ko ikorwa ikaba imodoka nzima abantu bakajya bayibazaho. Ubwo ndavuga abatunze ama-BMW, Audi na Volkswagen. Eri chapo garage niyo muntu wenyine wabibakorera abandi babona ntazi. Nibyo yize superieur rega. Ikindi cyabaye yaje hakuru. Jano abajano babandi twerutse bajya kugurisha imbunda diri kazamba.
You know, for one it is. Again.
Aje bitoto.
It was awesome back there.
Ana chachi mashini gicira umuriro ariko cyane cyadanje.
I can't do this shit anymore, Miles.
Look, it's
Chebi nako nakomeza
gonna be kinks to work out.
Cyanze bikunze nta kazi katabamira
We're in
buwa.
a room full of thugs is not kinks.
We kujya mu cyumba cyuzuye amabandi nkariya ntago ari kuvuga ngo nta kazi katagira
Putting
ingabo.
a gun pressed against my head is not kinks.
Kuntunga imbunda ku mutwe sibyo mvuga ngo nibyo.
Another buyer.
Turaza gushaka undi mukiriya wawe.
Another buyer.
Undi mukiriya.
So you don't think there's about to be blowback from the shit that just went down back there?
Ese urakeka je nakwemera ko dusubirana mu kazi nka kari uko
For the
byaje.
next 18 months. 2 years if we stretch it.
You know the war's
Niba tugemurira imbunda amezi 18 rimwe mu myaka.
over, Miles.
Urabizi ko intambara yarangiye mwana.
You survived.
Wararokotse.
Disappoint you?
Niba ibyo byaragutunguye kuba wararokotse ushaka gupfa rero.
Look, I don't want this in our house anymore.
Ibi bintu ntabwo nshaka ko bizatuzira mu nzu ya.
We done.
Not until we
aka kazi twakavuye
this product we knocked. This
paka izi mbunda tuzigurishije wapi
will be the last one.
basi buraba aribwo bwanyu
Bullshit. Where you going?
ugiye ariko ibuka hari n'umuntu uri guhiga abantu ngo bacuruza imbunda muri uyu mujyi umukobwa hakuno urebye icyo cyapa
Him again?
kimeze neza neza kimeze neza neza nimba mwabonye agapapuro bahaye wa musore wacu ngaho ari bujye gushakira mukuru we bamuhaye agapapuro kariho magambo nk'ariya urebe
Here, let me help you with that.
I got it.
reka ngufashe mwana ndabyumva hey.
You know you're right.
Sinikintu uravuga
The war is over.
Ntambara yararangiye koko.
And my connections,
ariko abantu tuziranye
they're drying up fast. That's
nabo intwaro ziri kubashirana vuba kandi ni ibyanyabyo rero ducuruje intwaro nabo twabaryamo ibice.
So if we want to keep these dojo doors,
niba dushaka ko iyi dojo bito iyi dojo yacu komeza imeze neza ikadukora akazi umenya ari mushiki.
Give a shit about keeping these doors open.
Bisa nkaho utitaye ku iryo ni izina ryanje ubonye ku cyapa.
Also the custodian, bookkeeper.
Abenshi banyita custodian cyangwa bookkeeper.
And maybe your new instructor.
Cyangwa se ugiye kukwigisha mushyashya umukobwa ufata icyo.
Yeah.
You know Oriano?
Yeah, I grew up in the.
Yego nakuriye hano.
See, business is a bit sparse.
Kana business itari kugenda.
Ebbs and flows.
Nta business itaraburiza.
City's getting rougher every day.
Cyane ko umujyi muri iyi minsi umaze kuzamba buri munsi uba wazambye.
Oh, I've noticed.
Ibyo ndabizi ibyo nanjye manabibona.
Interested in taking some classes.
Ariko niba ushaka umuntu kwigisha.
I might have a good looking white boy discount.
Nk'umuhungu mwiza gutya w'ibogari w'umuzungu nakugabanyiriza.
Your instruction.
Makuru unyigishije nabikunze.
Fight didn't go so well.
Kubera ko ubushize ubwo mperuka kurwana ntibyagenze neza. Hano ni muri dojo bigisha kurwana.
Winston.
Jebanyita Winston. Kobwa yari yafashe icyuma. Jebanyita Ru.
Though if you do have the time, I could give you a person.
Ufite nakanya nagutembereza
I have other business here today.
Oya hari ikindi kinzanyana uyu munsi.
My brother, I thought you could help.
Narinje gushaka umuvandimwe wanjye ndakeka wamfasha.
His name is Frankie.
Izina rye bamwita Frank. Hey! Kobwa arikanga.
Yeah, I see it now.
Noneho ntangiye kubibona.
Around the eyes.
Ntangiye kubona uburyo musa mu maso sha.
Get your ass out of here.
Sohora gatapari ka.
Now hold on.
Wait. Oya.
I haven't seen that piece of shit in months.
Iyo nyana yimbwa amaze hafi amezi nkayibona.
Haven't stopped picking up his mail.
Na email se sinkijya kuzifata.
If you've got his blood in you,
nimba ufite amaraso y'uriya musore muri wowe.
Probably trouble too.
Bivuze ngo nawe uri ibibazo.
So get in.
Rero mbabarira utumu.
Just tell me the last time.
Asa wambwiye ugiye baso rukira kumona.
Go.
Ndakubwiye sohoka. Sohoka mvira. Kiraho.
That's how it is.
Nuko bimera nari mbizi pe.
And Frankie's brother.
Umva se inshuti ya Frank nimburi n'umuvandimwe we. Nonaha. Ni iki numvishe gihonda. Ni iki numvishe gihonda. Iyi episode ya mbere. Ikindi cyabaye. Sean.
Clever.
Uri umuhanga manukamo hasi. Iyi dojo ni bwoko ki? Hey! Kumanuka!
The fuck are you?
Bicyande.
Second time today a motherfucker put a gun on me.
Iyi ni inshuro ya kabiri uyu munsi kigoryi ntazi ikintu nzi bu.
Who's this?
Frankie's brother.
You know umuvandimwe wa Frank.
My name is Winston Scott.
Jebanyita Winston Scott.
Yeah, I heard gunshots down here. I
Nari numvisha hano hasi hari isasu rivugira.
My brother might be in trouble.
Ntekereza ko umuvandimwe wanjye ari mu bibazo.
Let's fuck him up.
Kigoryi mwaretse tukakica.
So you come in here pointing a gun at my sister?
Kigoryi uje utunga mushiki wanjye imbunda.
In hindsight, that was a mistake.
Nyine reka mbabwize ukuri byari ikosa mu buryo bumwe oya.
That ascot was a mistake.
Escort icyo kintu wambaye mu ijosi cy'igiswara nicyo cy'igikosa.
It's a cravat.
Weyi ni cravat mwana w'insebya ngo ni igiswara ni ikintu nambaye utazi.
Fuck you.
Kijyo.
Look, I was told Frankie was working here and
bari bambwiye ngo Frank asigaye akorera
you
hano.
all are friends.
Twari inshuti ze.
Friends.
Twari inshuti ze. Ntabwo tukiri inshuti.
You know what?
Uzi impamvu?
This gun thing ain't my scene. Y'all deal with him.
Imbunda ntabwo ari ibintu byanjye mu bikemura ibibazo by'uyu musore. Bakobwe kwisura.
Love lost between her and my brother, it seems.
Nta muvandimwe wanjye ariko bitarangiye neza n'uriya mukobwa wese bakundanye.
How do we know you're Frankie's brother?
Twabwirwa n'iki kuri umuvandimwe wa Frank?
Name is Francis Patrick Scott.
Amazina ye yose nyakuri bamwita Francis Patrick Scott.
After our father, which
ndetse bamwise amazina bageneye ku mazina ya data.
is why we called him Frankie.
Ari niyo mpamvu tumwita Frank.
Seen his dog tags.
Shande kubona izi mbwa zijya gusa.
Look.
Simga zijya gusa mwana. Ibipoko byawe aho tubibona kigoryi.
My brother cut me out of his life a long time ago.
Umuvandimwe wanjye arankatiye imyaka myinshi
I
washize.
shouldn't even be here.
N'ubu sinakaba ndi hano ndi kumushaka.
I need to find him.
Ariko nkeneye kumuhiga.
And I need all the help I can get.
kandi nkeneye ubufasha ubwo aribwo bwose nabona. Kira tukire mwa.
In there.
Genda mwari. Komeza mwari. Musanyano. Ari gushaka ubufasha.
The very large machine gun you're holding already did the trick.
Musanyano. Wambaye cravat kigorgiwe.
You know, if you're trying to scare me, the
nimba muri kugerageza kunkanga
very large machine gun you're holding already
kimashini gun kinini ufite
did the trick. Now, this just feels like overkill.
Lemmy,
relax.
Tuza mwana, tuza. Shira imbunda hasi. Shira imbunda hasi. Sore Ajan, hip.
Your brother cut me out too.
Nanje umuvandimwe we ntaga kimvugije.
I looked out for him when we got back.
Tugaruka naramuhize.
Hooked him up with the kind of work I was doing over there.
Bite nakazi nari ndi gukora nshaka ko tujya gukorana ariko naramuhize.
Running guns, I'm getting.
Curuza imbunda se niko kazi uvuga.
There wasn't much else out here for a dopehead and a black vet.
Musa nta kandi kazi kari gasige kabirabura nkanje hafa muri izi karitsiye. Hey.
Can't imagine my brother was the most reliable co-worker.
Sinakwizera ko umuvandimwe wanje wumvishije mwakorana ukanamwizera.
We had a gun buy one night.
Twagombaga kujya kugura imbunda kurangura imbunda ijoro rimwe.
Frankie was supposed to pick it up.
Frankie yagombaga kuza kudutora ariko ntiyigeze asa.
He ended up getting hurt.
Byaje kurangira Lemmy uyu uri kubona hana bibariyemo.
My perineum.
Barandashisha. Bandashisa mu rwagashyi.
My balls in my ass.
Hagati y'ama balls n'ikini. Y'amapumbu n'inyuma hari.
Lost my product.
Ubu nabuze umuzigo wanje.
My money.
Amafaranga ndayabura.
Wasn't the first time your brother fucked up.
Kandi nako bwari ubwa mbere umuvandimwe wawe yakize ibintu.
That's the last you saw of him?
Nibwo heruka kumubona se?
Yeah, if he'd actually showed up that night.
Yaza kugarugara iryo joro.
A little while after that I heard from a buyer that he
ariko nyuma y'iryo joro n'ubundi naje kumva n'abakiriya bacu
into a hotel.
ngo asigaye yibera muri hotel umuvandimwe wawe. Shiramo imbundi sauce.
Continental.
The Continental. Sibyo?
So you know what kind of people are holed up in that place?
Abantu baba muri The Continental urabazi ubwo nicyaje Frank mwibuke filime yatangiye aba muri The Continental none nabo yarabibye arabatoroka.
Most of the guys over there had to get used to all the killing.
Abantu bose baba muri iriya hotel The Continental benshi baba arabicanye cyabarahoze aribo.
But Frankie just took to it.
Rero Frank nawe yagiye muri hotel.
People that just pick things up and can do it. If he picked up a gun, a knife.
Ya musora toraguye icyuma cyangwa imbunda.
Shit, anything you see here.
Buri kintu cyari cyo cyose wabona.
The gun's gonna be trying to keep up with him.
Well, that's a hell of a thing to be good at.
Ncheka se ari cyo ashoboye ari byo byonyine ashoboye imbunda n'ibyo.
Are you close with him over there?
Ese bundi mwari inshuti se bya hafi cyangwa.
Saving each other's lives enough times to do that.
Sha twagiye dutabarirana ubuzima inshuro nyinshi.
You need someone in charge of saving your life.
Ni ugira umuntu ukenera mu buzima ngazagutabarira ubuzima bwawe.
Take Frankie every time.
Iteka uzahora ufata Frank. Nubwo wenda yaturaburisha akagira gutariko biri mu kazi muri kumwe agakora nk'uwiyahura.
Every time.
Buri gihe kabisa. Hey.
For a minute it seemed like he was getting himself straightened out. Met a girl overseas.
Umukinga ngo yaje gura n'umukobwa wo mu mahanga.
Started talking all this hippy dippy stuff about fate.
Tangira kuvuga ngo ibintu bizababaho ngo bazi bizarangira.
Ends in New York and ends up getting into some shit.
Asa kujya New York bijandika mu bibazo byinshi none to.
I'm starting to see what that's like.
Ubu noneho ntangiye kubona ukuntu ibintu bimeze.
Yep. You only one looking for him, you know.
Ntabwo ari we wenyine uri kumushakirega mwana.
Guy like Frankie?
Abasore nka Frankie.
Skill set like he's got.
N'ubumenyi nk'ubwo afite. Sha ntabwo uzigera umubona. Keretse we naba ashaka ko umubona gusa naho ubundi yakwihisha bigakura.
He's like Casper, the unfriendly.
Ameze nk'umuzimu witwa Casper.
Well, I have to start somewhere.
Ugomba kugira ikintu mpera ari.
To roll around down in Alphabet City.
Umujije naho se nkuzengurukamo.
Our old stomping ground.
Ahantu twajyaga duhuriza cyane. Ahantu bita muri Alphabetic City.
That's where I'm headed, I guess.
Ubwo rero niho ngiye.
May I?
Hari ikibazo munsubije imbunda yanjye se.
You may.
Fata nari. Baramuretse. Hagati ariko.
You might want to take this with you also.
Iyi mbunda nayo nguhaye ushobora kuza kuyikenera.
A lot of people offering me guns today.
Ese kubera iki abantu benshi uyu munsi muri kumpa imbunda byagenze bite?
Not like this one.
Iyo baguhaye ntago ari nk'iyo ngiye musaba. Imbunda baguhaye kari kose ntago ari nk'iyo. Garutse hakuno muri quartier do. Ara bamubonye umukinga ari kugenda mu modoka ya danje. Nagere. Genda mu muzigo do. Chevy. Yesi Chevy. Oya, ni Dodge. Ya ni Dodge Challenger. Zaba beshya. Gatins. Hey. Hakuno. musore yakagiye we yakavuye havuye twavuye twigarukire hakuno filime witonze ikigo kiri hano ngo gishinzwe gutanga ubutabera n'iki umugore uri hano bisa nkaho ari umuntu bari guhondagura ari umuntu bari gukura amenyo shawe dore agasore k'ikigodo wa musore wari warajyanye na Frank kwiba nimba mwibuka filime itangiye biri hehe nababwiye ariko Frank yarabijyanye nukuri ndarahira
You thought you could outsmart the high table.
Wari uzi ko high table aturusha ubwenge?
How foolish of you.
Yego ukuntu uri ikigo nukuri ndi kukubwiza ukuri Cye barangije ngo nkora akazi akazi karangije karazamba iriya nyana y'imbwa iransiga ngo banyice uri kuvuga cya kigo ry'ise wari wishyuwe ahubwo ngo ugambanire kandi kuko mwibuka uyu mukinga yari agiye kurasa Frank utunguwe no kubona byo mbizi ko wari wagambaniye Frank ese ubundi ibyo bintu mwibye urabizi utambeshye musore
May I ask you how much you got paid to steal it?
Utambeshe ubundi bakwishyura ngaye ngo mujane kwiba
40 grand.
Banyishyira $40,000 by'idolari.
Keys to the world for a pittance.
Urufunguzo rufungura isi.
Not that anyone can put a price on it.
Rutabona igiciro na kimwe rwagurwa.
The value of an artifact that could topple an organization that predates the Roman.
Ibintu bifite agaciro utabarira mu mikufi no mu mazabu no mu biki.
Empire.
Bya bindi byatuma uyobora ubwami kubaka ubwami bukomeye nk'ubw'abaromani.
What I'm sharing with you is very privileged information.
Okay, reka ngo amakuru kandi amakuru y'ingenzi.
Information I only share with one kind of person.
Ariko ayo makuru bundi nyahereza abantu bo mu bwoko bumwe bwonyine.
Kind who are about to die.
Ba bantu baba bagiye gupfa nibo mpereza aya makuru ngiye kuvuga. Nawe bivuze ngo ugiye gupfa to.
What do you want me to do about Cormac?
Hanyuma se Cormac tubigenze gute?
Nothing.
Bumwihore.
Perhaps his reign is finally coming to an end.
Aha rumenye ubuyobozi bw'igihe kigeze ku iherezo nawe mureke. Mwihoreye. Hakuno buyobora musigo. Kigabano. Kiza gucuranga ntuze fame. Ishyiramo indirimbo yari anampu ngo yitwa Tsunami. Shawe Kigabo haku barica Boko ugusekura nta mikino umusore we nta nubwo azi ngo bibye ibiki natwe ntiturabisobanukirwa neza ngo bibye ibiki kwereka hakuno sore nawe komeje guhiga mukuru jano muri kakaje bamubwiye ngo nimba ari muri Alphabet City aje muri Alphabet City hakuno agiye guparika na itakata Newton hazibonye feruje za kera tuvuye aho ngaho twigarukire kuri ya hoteli yacu The Continental uri wa jano ababwenga barebye John Wick muraza kwitonda barebye Ballerina muraza kwitonda akazana kanya umugore twamubonye ngari guhiga abantu bacuruza intwaro baramufungurira dore muri hoteli ndani do bagabo bose ubona muri hoteli n'abagore barabicenye turabizi ko abicenye bose bavuye mu kazi baza gucumbika hano muri Continental kirazira kwiciramo umuntu urategereza agasohoka hanze mu kibuga yasohotsemo kwiciramo umuntu ntabwo bikunda tu Ajano
Look at me!
Sean, tubahereze iki?
Yeah, can you get me a scotch?
Wampaye ka scotch ka whisky. Hakuno bamutemo ka whisky ni muri hoteli. Uko ari muri hoteli do. Kumubona bagusukiramo ka whisky yishura amafaranga asanzwe. Abazi John Wick filime murayizi ngo ntibibatungure ntago hano hajya hakora amafaranga asanzwe. Wapi ibi bivuze iki? Bivuze ko uyu mukobwa uje muri iyi hoteli nta makuru ayifiteho ayinjiyemo atabizi atazi ibintu yizanyemo tangira gucirana amasiri inshyitsi zitwinjiriye Silivani kandi kuko ni Livani tu amafaranga barayafata bamusukiramo tangira gucirana amasiri umugore we yishoye yinje muri hoteli atazi ibintu yijanditsemo batangira kunyuranyura n'amafande none se tugire bataragereye mugire nitumara kugira se muhite mugira batangira kumuzenguruka bose bakata bajya ku makontwari to batangira kumwereka imbunda beruye mata wayobye nimba naje gushakira amakuru hano wayobye umubaritenda arabanza mwereka urabona bihinduye isura shaw sohoke urebe agurutse baramukurikira zakuno
How can I help you?
tubafashe gute mada
Yeah, can I get a room, please?
mwamfasha mukamba icyumba
I'm sorry, we're fully booked.
tubabarira ariko hoteli yacu yose iruzuye
But there are many fine hotels in the
ariko
area.
muri izi karitsiye hari andi mahoteli
And if you'd like.
ubaye ubishaka nakugira inama ya hoteli wajyamo mwabuja hakuno uyu nawe arabanza amwereka akabunda kagafite umukobwa yayobye aje gushakira amakuru abona abandi bishyura mu biceri bya zahabu uribuka intambara John Wick yakoze ari guhiga ibi biceri mato
No, I'm good, thanks.
oya murakoze ke hey umugore yabonye kana arimo yigendeshwa kasuka na kaga secretary ka Hallmark kari hano kaga pampe ka Hallmark kari hano karabibonye mutangiye kutumenyera hakunudo kumbonye logo ya Mustang we sinababeshye buri yaraza arongera twikira imodoka afite kondisiyo bamuhaye ngo tuba kujya twikira imodoka y'abandi iyo kondisiyo bamuhaye bajya kuyimutiza reba filime witonze gake gake bucece yinjiye hano ko yakinjiye katuni abona katuni hano ubona ubwo katuni Frankie kiza hano muri sare iri hano reba Tom and Jerry harimo ikinunusi cyanditseho fuck you kiri muri ibyo bamutera kwa kajwiga bamuniga n'ifurodo gufata imbundira ko bundira mushoboka uretse mwana uretse kwe Frankie baherekare bashaka kuko Frankie ari hano ukuru we bamubonye Winston uramuzi uyu ni umuvandimwe wanjye Yesu ugira umuvandimwe mwamfashije Shano ahambura ikigoryi
Anh nói với em là không ai biết chỗ này mà.
warambwiye ngo hano hantu turi n'ibanga ye
How you doing here, Winston?
kurikirana Winston
Nice to see you too, Frankie.
byiza kongera kukubona nanjye Frank
Warm welcome.
nakoze no kumpa ikaze nubwo muri mpaye Petit
Đây,
kubera icyo ari hano
làm thế nào anh ta tìm thấy mình?
ubundi atubonye gute mu gihugu nanjye nibyo ngiye kumubaza buretse
I know it's been a while,
Winston ndabizi haciyemo igihe tutabonana
I need to know why you're here.
ariko nshaka kumenya impamvu uri hano
I'm here because apparently you fucked up, Frankie.
Frank impamvu ndi hano ni ukuzi ko wazambije ibintu kikwe kiri umuntu ati ninde yabikubwiye ni Hallmark
Hắn với cô Mark.
ari kumwe na Hallmark uretse vuga
His goons bagged me in London.
amabandi yaraje mu rutuza mu Bwongereza
Told me to find you or he'd kill you.
yarambwiye ngo azagwika kandi azakwica
I don't care what you lifted from him.
mwana umusa sinzi ibyo wamwibye cyangwa se impamvu wabimwibye
You need to get the hell out of here.
ariko ukeneye kuva hano ukagenda
Hắn nói cái gì vậy?
ari kuvuga ibiki ntabwo uyu mugore abyumva byose ndaza kugusobanurira nyuma shu
You see, we're staying.
uzi n'ikindi turaguma hano uri kunyuma
Because I sent her this mess.
kubera ko ninjye wizanye muri uyu mwanda iyo wizanye mu mwanda rero biba byiza iyo upfiriye mu ninjye wizanye
like fucking rats. You want to hold
kugira ngo uraswe nk'imbwa
in this place until they come and kill you.
urashaka kuguma hano mpaka baje bakakwica.
That's not a plan, Frankie.
Frank ntabwo ari umupango.
That is an unscheduled funeral.
ibyo ni ukwishyingura utabipanze. turaza kurwana mwana cye nawe turaza kurwana.
Made a big fucking mistake coming here, Winston.
wakoze ikosa rihambaye kuza hano Winston petit frere.
Because we're all running now.
rero wakerereye kubimbwira kuko ubu twese turi kwiruka turi guhunga.
I can help you.
gusa nagufasha.
Trust me.
mwembi babiri nabafasha mu nyizere. yeah.
We're not big on trust.
ntabwo tugira icyizere cyinshi. ebe ubu tuzi uwo duhanganye nawe Winston turamuzi. ntabwo Cormac akiri wa mugabo tuzi tukiri abana kera. yarakuze asigaye afite amabandi afite ibice byose. asigaye aba mu isi y'abanyabyaha ndetse kandi iyo si y'abanyabyaha abamo iragutse kurusha inkike ziriya hoteli gusa. zigera na kure zigera kure y'uyu mujyi zikanagera kure y'uko wabitekereza.
You sound fucking paranoid.
ese Frank ko numva wapanitse mwana. urabona napanitse mu gakeya nyine. petit frere naguza abantu duhanganye. Frank we nakuno ukanya aho umusore yasize aparitse imodoka ye tayari. dore ngiriya ya Mustang yewe ngiriya hariya hakurya. nababeshye nabonye akarugo ka Mustang. hakuno filime witonze. gurupe bita Nile bari badusezeranyije inzira ituvana muri ngo nje kubibira ikintu baje kucyereka petit frere ngo nabo bakaduha amafaranga menshi ahagije yo gutangira ubuzima bundi menshi yatuma tubura Cormac ntazaduge ngo barangije baragambana abakiri. Frankie akeneye kubimenya shiri wanje mbimwereke sano. Frankie fata igisanduku kiri hano. ni ibiki? ni ibiceri. ni isanduka ibamo ibiceri bya kera.
Cormac wants you dead over this thing?
Cormac aragushaka uri umupfu kubera iki kintu. kuko bari muri ibyo aho umusore yasize aparitse hanze ibintu byazambye buretse uze wirebere wewe urebe witonze.
The people he works for, the people that he fears, that Cormac's one thing. But the people he works for,
ikintu cyonyine Cormac ubu agendereho ni abantu akorera.
people that he fears,
abantu nawe atinya.
after what I did to him,
rero nyuma y'ibyo namukoreye
they control everything.
Winston ibintu byose ntago bikiri muri control.
They have eyes and ears everywhere.
bafite amaso n'amatwi buri hamwe.
Make people disappear.
baburisha abantu
Make whole buildings disappear.
inzu yose batuma ibura. ariko ufite amafaranga Frank.
Yeah, a lot of it right now.
mfite ibiceri byinshi.
I can buy you that way out that you were robbed of.
nakugurira inzira igusohora muri ibi bintu nimba arabibye tukabaha amafaranga.
Go anywhere you want. You can
kwigira ahantu ushaka.
Anyone you want.
That's not gonna work, Winston.
You have another
ntabwo ari uko bikorwa Winston. ufite undi mupango bakiri muri ibyo bumva inzira shekeye. bamukurikiye kujya uzi n'ikintu ukeneye kuva ukagenda. tugume hano turwane sheri wanje. ukeneye kugenda tuve hano tugende.
Frankie?
ko bari muri ibyo. fungura yeni fungura ariko wena nsezeranyije ngo nibadutera tuzaguma hano turwane turi kumwe njye ariko hano nta kintu turadufite turwanira. ku nyubako ko batinda kugenda niko bari kuraburiza binjiriwe. rebe hani iwacu mwana. ariko ahandi hose twajya naho twahagera iwacu. twari tugiye gutangira umuryango Frank. dufite kugenda sheri wanje nonaha. ngwino tugende bigishyushye bigishoboka ngwino tugende. sinzi hakuno binjiriye baje yiteruye ikirabyo cye. namwe abagore murabazi. hano nta muntu uhari mwana. nta muntu uri hano nta muntu uhari. nanjye nta kintu ndi kubona bari hakuno ureba hano hejuru nta kintu cyose. twatatse inzu twibeshyeho mama we to iyi modoka ntago ariyo nyagasani indi modoka hano kumbe ko bariyo batatse inzu itariyo aba ngaba imodoka bayivanye muri karitsiye bayisunika ni za masoka uciyatsa moteri irabira gasakuza bayisohoye muri karitsiye bayisunika ebe byose byabaye tayari bahise binjira imodoka bahita bava aho ngaho bakomeza urugendo rebe filime witonze gace gake bucece mu gace none iki tugiye kujya kureba Charlie
The guy that was supposed to look after us when we were kids, that's your plan?
Mujinga wa mujinga wagombaga kutwita tukiri abana ni ushaka ko tujya kureba niwo mupango ufite hakuno kuri the continent
line with internal Kevlar ballistic filler.
ariko naro baje guhereza raporo bari kumusobanurira imyenda bamudodera ino kote noneho urabona iki ni iki mubare kuba bavanje boss twabibonye.
Fortunately they eluded our team and escaped.
ariko ikibabaje bacitse kipe yacu barabura.
Okay. It's time to outsource.
ndakeka aricyo gihe ngo dukoresha imbaraga z'umurengero.
Perhaps some of our guests are available.
ndakeka mu bashyitsi dufite muri iyi hoteli se hari abahari.
Give me the weirdos.
genda uzanire ba bandi bitwara mu buryo budasanzwe ba weirdos.
Which? Yeah, you're right, they're all weird. The twins.
Baba ndi bita impanga nje nibo nshobora.
Give me those twins.
genda uzanire izo mpanga zitume mu kazi.
Gretel, whatever the fuck.
Baba bitwa Hansel na Gretel. Sinzi ukuntu babita. Hansel and Gretel. Ayo ni filime ubundi bari abantu babiri. Bavindimwe Hansel na Gretel zari impanga ebyiri ariko zabicanye. Mu mateka byanyabyo babaye Hansel and Gretel. Bakuno. Hoteli icumbikamo abicanyi gusa. Bagiye kuboherereza abicanyi tu. Bajana.
I'm pleased to see you return from.
Shimishijwe no kubona mwagarutse muvuye mu
work.
Muvuye mu kazi.
Mr. O'Connor wondered if you had room in your very
Mr. O'Connor yayibazaga ngo nimba ngamubonera kandi yagombaga kumujyana kureba baseball. Kajya yagurisha bya byana twabaga duturanye.
I was the businessman even then.
Shaka uva na kera umunyama business.
We were supposed to take over New York together, remember?
Bagombaga gutsindira New York nje nawe tukayigira yacu mwana. Uribuka?
Dad put that in your ear.
Ibyo ariko ni papa bigushyize mu matwi nta bya danje. Kwiyumvisha ngo ugomba kuzabingana.
If you remember, the losing your family home because you took a loan from Cormac O'Connor.
Sinzi nimba wibuka kubura umuryango ko yaje kubura umuryango we n'urugo rwe kubera ideni yarariye rya Cormac ubwo ni papa wacu ariko baba
kuvuga. The mark of a great businessman, is it?
Siko se abanya business mumera suko bagufatira na nyine.
Why the hell did you go back to work for him?
None se niki cyatumye usubira kumukorera?
I had a plan, Winston.
Kubera ko nari mfite umupango Winston. Na papa yari awufite ariko.
Did you ever compare me to him again?
Utazongera kugereranya data nanjye.
You hear me?
Uranyumva? Cye nukangeranya na papa. Twubahane.
You didn't tell Yen about me.
Ako wigeze ubwira uriya mugore wawe Yeni ibyanjye ko turi abavandimwe. Wapi?
I come to New York to help my brother.
Rero bivuze ngo naje muri New York nje gufasha umuvandimwe wanjye.
He didn't even tell his wife that I exist.
Atara nabwiye umugore we ko mbaho.
You come to New York in your own will, Winston.
Ntago wigeze uza muri iyi New York kubw'ubushake bwawe mwana.
But I stayed.
Ariko nayigumyemo.
And I found you.
Kandi ntago wize ndakubona.
Like you wouldn't let me visit you.
Ntago meze nkawe we wanze ko ngusura unafunze. Warankati urabizi ibyo
You got out. And I get it.
Now usohokeye.
You took the fall for me. It'd be easy for you to resent me.
Wenda reka mbyemere n'ubundi ujya gufungwa n'icyo wafungiwe.
For that.
Oh, is that what you think?
Ni kubitekereza ko nagufungiwe.
That I just resented you?
Yes, we were kids, Frank.
Twari tukiri abana mwana Frank.
We had no parents, no one. Why would you just cut me out like that?
For you?
Kucyangatiye kuriya. Kuri wowe.
You could escape this life.
Nagira ngo ubuzima mbamo ubuve mu bucike.
Could lead a better one, which is exactly what you did, Winston. I mean, look.
Kandi nibyo byashe gukunda ntago bayeho nkanje Winston. Reba mwana.
Fucking suit.
Uba wiyambariye udukote we byace muri umukapo.
Shiny watch.
This is all a
wambaye amasaha
appearances, Frankie. I needed
ibi nukwigaragaza mwana Frank.
Big brother.
Cyanyeneye mukuru wanje mwana.
What's me being a big brother?
Rero uko niko umuntu aba mukuru wundi ukabona murumuna wawe ibintu byamushyira mu bibazo ukabivamo. Nimba nakuba hafi nkagushyira mu bibazo nahisemo kukureka. Niko baba mukuru w'umuntu.
Don't you fucking get that?
Ese ntabwo ibyo bintu byumva.
I kept you alive by keeping you out of all this shit.
Natumye ukomeza kuba uri muzima nkuvana mu.
You are just seeking it out anyway.
Ariko ikibabaje ukomeza kubihiga ngo byinjizemo. Kwasha no kumiga rinde wabigutumye. Yo witumukira. Kibazo kandi koko.
sometimes, Winston.
Buriya rero rimwe na rimwe Winston petit frere.
You gotta make choices you don't want to protect.
Akenshi ushobora gufata amahitamo utifuza.
People you care about.
Kugira ngo urinde abantu witaho. Uranyumva?
Maybe you'll get to understand that one day.
Nawe ibyo bintu ndabizi umunsi umwe uzabisobanukirwa. Umunsi umwe uzabyumva bisobanukirwa. Kuba narakugiye kure mu magambo make suko nkwanze, ntabwo nagira ngo ugume ufite umutekano.
Frankie and his brother.
Yego ni Frank n'umuvandimwe.
They're both here.
Cyane bose bari hano. Hari ababahururije.
You sure they have it?
Urabizi neza ko bagifite se?
What do you want me to do?
Shaka nkora iki?
Got it.
Sawa sawa. Masasa atangira kujyamo. Aha babari hari uwabagambaniye. Bari bazi ko baje mu maniga yabo. Mu maniga yabo harimo umugambanyi. Yarabahamagarije.
You and Yen out of here.
Cye kukuvana hano we n'umugore wawe mwana.
Okay?
Mucende mutangire ubuzima bundi bushya sibyo?
You and me will start over too.
Nanje nawe tugende dutangire ubuzima bundi bushya. Yanyumva?
Frankie.
Ni kumwe nanjye ariko Frank cyangwa? Cyo batazi bagamba.
I'm with you, Winston.
Yego ndi kumwe nawe Winston. Ako, Yenari, akiri muri byo. Sasu.
What the hell are you doing here?
Sasu. Uri gukora ibiki mwana? Inshuti zacu ari zatugambane. Ingegera zadutanze. Ingegera zadutanze bagiye gushiduka. Tayari. Bagiye gushiduka binjiri wasinze ariko.
What the hell are you doing here?
Gukora ibiki mwana? Kora iki byatugambaniye mwana inshuti zacu ari zatugambaniye. Kora iki byatugambaniye. Kindi cyabaye. Injeshe vurane kamaro yabo bana makiramo. Bicho biti sasu. Kandagira imodoka. Tayari amasasu aravuga. Amasaha y'ijoro. Bicho biti cyuma wowe wayifashe vurane kamaro. Kandagira imodoka mu muhanda. Katambara arabanza. Hindura imodoka gutya. Umukobwa batamo. Ziri kwentegera mu masaha y'igicuku. Dusubize mu muhanda mwana. Kigali we. Hakuno. Wari wagiye kubapangira uko bajyana imodoka bayirasipine. Nenga umuhanda. Banza urubavu. Parika hakuno. Paritse hakuno abandi nabo bahita bahekera. Bigishyushye bagiye kugera hasi n'abandi bahageze. Bari kubahiga. Kamodoka barabanza bagatamo. Ko nta kindi bashaka. Barashaka aba bantu bose ari imirambo. Kureba mwana ntabarimo. Kureba mwana ntabarimo. Hakuno. Bazamutse hejuru. Aba bazamutse hejuru. Tugende mwana. Tugende. Zamutse hejuru. Bakurikiwe. Rebe. Zamutse hejuru. Masasu. Yaravuze na masasu ni njuruto. Hold it. Sawe. Emuretse.
Give me the coin press.
Mereza cya gisanduku kirimo ibiceri. Barashaka igisanduku kirimo ibiceri. Ibi biceri byakoze ibara muri filime yitwa John Wick. Byakoze ibara muri filime yitwa Ballerina. Byagarutse muri continent.
Behind you.
Reba inyuma yawe mwana. Sawe. Barakimushugunyira. Hakuno. Ine yarakomeje n'umukobwa. Umukobwa yarakomeje. Kwerekano. Hari babicanyi babiri ngo b'impanga do. Baje guhiga bari. Babicanyi babiri b'impanga. Baje. Ebe. Bajano. Uratse. Aba nabo. Sorry. Kugigira. Uratse. Oh, baramuzinga. Winston yarya Winscott bakura amenyo. Yeni nawe hano. Kina hano hari akana shinge do. Kazaburoni do. Mwana witwa Zaburoni wa mugani wa nzovu. mujye kuri YouTube mukore subscribe kuri YouTube channel yitwa Zaburoni TV. Korano ona maraso. YouTube channel ya Danchicho utuntu tw'ubwenge. Akana hakuno. Cenye mu nzu. Atse. Asa ijoro. Kobwa arabanza sunika. Kana shira ku ruhande. Inamba mu nyubako. Iri nzora niryamye nazi byabaye. Mukubite n'inyina mwoshi bakana. Shira kana ku ruhande. Asasu. Dore ninja. Atse. Zingu mugabo. Atse wowe. Kumbe babicenye babiri. Bicenye babiri ngo ni Hans and Gretel. Hans and Gretel. Akuno bari kutundana. Bari kutundana. Atse. No. Kobwa. Zingu muntu. Adundishana. Abana bahanze. Sagara zabaye sagara. Sagara zabaye sagara. Atse. Sinzi ariko. Kura menyo. Kura menyo. Ayo. Fatiri pasi. Fatiri pasi. Atse. Zinga. Kobwa ndi kumuntu. Munigisha pasi. Aramuzinga neza. Mushyira hakuno. Kiganza aragisya. Amunigisha umugozi w'ipasi. Biranga. Kurebera ipasi hano. Pasi. Mu gihorihori. Mikino. Mu gihorihori. Bano. Yeah. Frankie.
What are you gonna do with that little guy?
Ako kabundu ufite sura kamaziki. Faya mu rutugu. Nawe bahita bamutamu. Frankie bamuhaye icyurutugu. Petit frère sukica abantu mereza hano. Arica. Okay. Faya urutwe.
Pretty soon we'll be like riding the bike.
Izi n'ikindi nyuma na nyuma muri iyi minsi uraza kuba ugendera kuri moto. Ntabwo nigeze nshaka moto ariko njyewe kumbe hari abicanyi bandi babiri bari kuzamuka. Hakuno kuri gatandatu bahageze. Hakuno bafite indege bategereje. Shalari hehe mwana. Nzi ko muri kumwe wapi. Ntabwo turi kumwe Shali. Indege bataraja kuri sasu. Faya urutugu. Kobwa baramutamitse. Mutware wereke. Abicanyi babiri. Hans and Gretel. Reba hakuno. Faya pilote bamutamo. Darashwe. Hakurikije indege barabanza. Mwese mufate mukomeze mwana. Komeza ufatire. Kobwa baramuhaye. Uraza kumera neza mwana. Uraza kumera neza. Kandi ndagukunda. Ebe. Hakuno.
You both need to look after each other.
Mwembi muzitaneho mwana.
What are you saying?
Kuvuga ibiki musi? Nije bashaka?
And this.
Bakanashaka iki ngiki. Cya gisanduku cyuzuye ibiceri bya Continental. Simbutse aragaruka hasi bariya bakomeze. Kuko bakomeje indege bariya bicanya kanya kari ko kose bayishyira hasi. Bagapfa bose. Cyabaye ngombwa ko yagaruka asa nk'ugarutse ngo yitange nk'igitambodo. Nagarutse azakuno. Cya gikarito cyuzuyemo ibiceri. Ibi biceri The Continental nibyo bikora gusa muri iriya hoteli. Biceri nzana babwira ngo bifite agaciro kangahe kuri YouTube nzabatamu. Hakuno kumyano abicanyi baramureba Frankie my brother. Faya umutwe. Bose babireba. Horiki. Ebe. Amusizaho. Bakomeza urugendo. Frankie isa nkaho urugendo rwe rutarenze aho ngaho. Kuri wareba Winston bazanye hakuno cya gisanduku cy'ibiceri. gisanduku bakigaruye muri hoteli The Continental. Ubundi The Continental ni hoteli irarwamo n'abicanyi gusa, kandi umwicanyi yagezemo nta wundi uba wemerewe kumwiciramo, urategereza igihe azasohokera ukamwiciramo. Muri hoteli rero ibiceri bikoramo ni ibi biceri byonyine bya organization yabo. Ngo abarebye John Wick ibyo biceri murabizi, abarebye Ballerina byo ndabizi ko mubyibuka neza cyane. Kureba hakuno nta biceri birimo. Igisanduku bagaredo harimo ikintu cy'igikende katanze urwo hagati. Kigali wa do.
Jesus Christ.
Yesu Kristo babasha.
I need guns.
Nyene imbunda bamwiciye mukuru we yaje anatabaza ati nyene imbunda.
Lots of guns.
Kandi nyene imbunda nyinshi. Mama we.